Hey, it's Dr. Jack Wolfson, board certified cardiologist, and I want to tell you about environmental toxins in your home. Listen, a lot of times we can't do much about our outdoor air. I certainly implore you to move to a city or a town that doesn't have a lot of pollution. But let's say you can't do anything about your environment where you live, or maybe you can't even do anything about your workspace, what they do there, but what you hopefully can control is your home. And quite simply, everything you bring into your house, is it toxic or not? If it's toxic, don't bring it in. If it's not natural, don't bring it in. Laundry detergent, fabric softener, dryer sheets, colognes, perfumes, plug-ins, candles, anything that you are unsure of, new furniture, new mattresses, new paint. Always make sure you know that it is a safe product, and that will lead to optimal health. Because when you have poisons in your environment, it poisons your body, and your body will get sick. You cannot get healthy in the same environment where you got sick. Change your environment and change your health. Get the pollutants, get the chemicals out. We've got a lot of these posts and blogs on our website about different things. If you have any questions, shoot us an email.